What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, if you're from Toronto, you know there's no debate on who has the best milk cakes in the city. In this video, we're building a one-of-one custom dessert cart for Diamo. This will be for the new pop-up event services called Milked by Diamo. Make sure to check them out, show your support, and watch along to see the end result. I already have the base of the cart made, but if you're looking to see how I built that, check out my previous videos to see how it was done. After making my template, I'm just going to be copying and pasting on the longer pieces of wood. Once that's done, I'm going to be routering the edges to give it a layered looking effect. Creating a template first helped with making sure that everything looks symmetrical. Once everything looks even, we're going to glue and nail on all the pieces to the hood. Next, I cut 2-inch strips to add some more detail. To give it a good shape, I used a router to round the edges. This part of the project took a lot of patience and a lot of materials that I wasn't planning on using. By the end of this project, I think I used one full sheet just to try to get this look. But it was all worth it in the end, and let's just say I have a lot of spare pieces to use now. The last piece of this hood is adding this pyramid, triangular looking base, which will be sitting right at the top. Once that's done, it'll be ready for painting. Here I'm routering these circle pieces to hold up the poles. Then I'll be creating about a 1.5-inch hole on the top of the cart so that the poles could go through. The poles will be going from the bottom of the base to the top of the hood. These holes will hold up the hood and keep the load distributed evenly throughout the whole cart. Here I'm just dry fitting everything and making sure everything fit. Not gonna lie, putting this on the first time had me stressing, but everything now is ready for paint. After the first coat of paint, I just wanted to make sure everything fit again, and I felt more confident putting it on the second time. And here's the final look. We went with a different trim design and added LEDs to highlight their signage. You can see the circular pieces of wood that I cut on top of the cart that's holding up the poles but also giving it a nice transition. Shout out to Diamo, and make sure to check out their new page called Milked by Diamo. As always, stay tuned for more builds.